Lost a wicket early. Nathan Bracken did the business in Durban, and he started by getting... Graham Smith. If they get off, there might be a chance. That's good. That's 4. Might be another boundary. Is another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries now for Graham Smith. That's away and 4. Driving on the up. Inside edge. Not far away from the stumps. Down the track and just over the top of Michael Clark, and that's 4. It's gone again. And 4 more back-to-back boundaries for Gibb. It's a good shot from Herschel Gibbs.
24 of 25. Smith gets it away. That'll go to the boundary for 4 as well. Oh, that's a magnificent shot. That's well played. That's beautifully played. Steered to the boundary for 4. Well played. That's the area he loves. Oh, he's got it away. That's 4. Take that. Oh, well played. That's 4. Oh, good shot. He's hit that one over the top. Bouncing away down to the boundary. Straight down the ground, and it's beaten him. It's 4. Well, there's the boundary for this over.
For Gibbs. Just 46 deliveries. Brilliant. Muscled. Well played. 4 runs. Very good placement. It's a full toss. He's edged it and he's got himself another boundary. 4 runs. Beautifully played. It's a good shot. 1 bounce 4. He's hit that beautifully and that's gone. There he goes again. And he's too big a man not to get it out of the park. And after shots like that, there certainly will be. Out. Now is that the turning point? Look at the delight on Michael Clark's face. In the air and out the park. There he goes. The power play got him up. I'm going to go over the top. There it is. There he goes again. More. Like that. More runs. There he goes again. Here we go again. That's the arrow he said he was going for. That's down to 3rd man. That's 4 more.
In the air, and he's dropped it. He's dropped it. Oh, could he have dropped the trophy? Oh, what a shot. What a shot. Oh, good shot. Very good shot. He gave him a bit of room there. Take that. There he goes. Hits the way on the onside. Will it beat the field? Yes, it has. That's 4 as well. Martin diving away. Didn't quite get there. Oh, he's hit that one beautifully. 1 bounce, I think, for 4. And again, oh, that's gone. That's gone. That's gone. Oh, boy. No, he's hit that. It's in the air. This is going to be caught. Will it be caught? Yes, he's gone. That's the end of De Villiers going for the big one. I think it's the right bloke to be going for them. De Villiers going for the big one at mid-on. That's in the air, and there's a fieldsman down there, but it's gone all the way. Simons to him again, and again. Oh, that's a bigger 6. That was a rank full toss.
A couple of tailenders good at that.
In the air, and that's it. Well, I'm afraid to say that section of the party has come to an end. He's hit 2 sixes. He did what you thought he would do. He did.
Squeezed
Yeah,
away.
he squeezed it away. Sorry, Michael. We're all getting excited.
Great catch. Brilliant catch. Andrew Simons is an outstanding fielder. Effortless. And taking that return catch, the end of Callis.
It's in the air and it's going to go to the boundary for 4. They needed that desperately. In the air, out. Got him. Big wicket. Kemper's chopped it straight to backward point. A slowish, really cutter comes spin. Straight down the ground. That's going for 6. That's gone. Yes. That's gone for 6. Oh, he's hit that one magnificently. Over the top. Just inches for 4. Straight down the ground. What a shot. All the way into the crowd. Oh, he's got him. He's got him. Perhaps that's not the case. A flat bat from Van der Vaart has gone to Ponting, who's been off the ground getting some attention to his finger. Sweep shot, 4, great shot! Smashed away to mid-wicket, it's going to go for 4. Yes, it's hit the boundary. Works it away on the onside, it's another 4. Bracken's chasing, he won't get there. He's hit it like a rocket. What a shot. It's in the air. This has got to be out surely. No, it's going to be short. Oh, it's a great catch. Wonderfully taken. Well, Hussey is an unbelievable fieldsman. He's hit it. Oh, it's hit Brett Lee on the shin. Just a single.
Well, let's just bear in mind there's a test match series coming up as well.
It's a great shot. He's got it away for 4. Over the top of long on, down to the boundary for 4. Now South Africa should definitely win. Run. Oh, he's had a go. He's out. Oh, he's out. That's the last thing they wanted. He's out. This match is not up. Oh, he's got a single. He's got it to third man. Right. Now then. They need 1 of 2 balls. South Africa cannot lose. They don't want to run out. Straight down the ground. What a victory. That is a sensational game of cricket. And it is a superb victory. Africans are charging out onto the ground. Gilchrist shakes hands with Boucher. Mtini's on a high. Ponting cannot believe this has happened to his team.
Great result here for South Africa. Mackay and Tini gave Boucher the strike, and that's been a long time coming. So much said of late about the South African side under pressure. They backed themselves, they had no choice but to go for it. They pulled off one of the great victories of all time. They deserve it. It's been a fantastic match to watch.
That is the performance of the South African batsmen. Dippenaar out early, Smith played superbly, Gibbs played the best innings he's ever played in one-day international cricket, and the rest of them kept the pressure coming. They kept the runs ticking over. These do not make good reading. It's not often that bowlers get carted around to the extent they have, and I'm not just talking about the Australians. Both sides had their bowlers cleaned up. But the worst figures ever. No wicket for 113 there. Now secured by Lewis, the Australian. And as the summary, well, there it is. They scored 434, batting first, having won the toss, and they actually lost the match. South Africa fought back right down to the wire. Second last ball, the match was won.